Mrs. Canayan Talanya Magnaya Chimetiza Jr., also named as Mrs. Canayan Talanya Magnaya Quezon the First. What will I see on my camera video? May panaginip memory to Alex Ang Chimetiza Jr., also named as Mrs. Manuel Quezon the First. They tend to differs the panaginip from the original of such as the color of Alex ko from brown color to kayumanggi color, and then what it is only about they getting the feeling from that panaginip. So they such as creating a situation of faultness. I could hear the harassment person on my ear. I wish they be dead because what they're doing is killing. They just putting heart pain illness on myself so that myself be dead. My panaginip is brown color. And then they is putting it to kadiri person such as the Bobo camouflage nakakadiri. The Bobo camouflage is such as GRO, pokpok. The Bobo camouflage sexual abuse, abusive, killer, criminal, bad person. I not socialized to that person and then clingy. My chest bone is on pain. Alex lover ko. They is killing me. And then first kiss ko Alex Jr. ko only. I'm not on kissing to anyone. That is so there are no respect and no discipline on myself. I am a bride. That Alex Sanjamentiza Jr., also named as Manuel Quezon the First, proposed on myself year 2017. So it is as well they is destroyer